my lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome back to another video. And yes, I'm doing another video for you guys today because I have a little time in my schedule to film 2 videos, so I don't have time to change and do new makeup because sometimes I don't have the time at all to do videos because I have so many things going on behind the scenes that keeps me busy. So YouTube is a little bit on the back burner, somewhat, not a whole lot, just somewhat. So when I have the time to pop out a couple of videos same day, I am going to do it. So I'm going to share with you guys today a few things I picked up just for the summer. And I don't usually buy a lot of things for the summer anyways, whether that be clothes or makeup or whatever the case may be, because here in North America, Canada to be precise, summer is so short. I mean, by the time you blink, summer is over. So I spend very, very little, and some makeup and things, we're just going to get right into it. So the first thing we're going to talk about today, guys, is from Winners. I haven't been into Winners in God knows how long. And Winners is one of those stores when you go in and you see something that you like, pick it up, because if you go back at the end of the day, the next week, you're not going to find it, okay? It's one of those places where you just snatch and grab whatever it is you like. This is from the Crabtree and Evelyn brand, and this is called the Sweet Almond Bath and Shower Gel, and here it be. So if you have a Winners store in your neck of the woods, go in and get this, and this was only $9.99, which I think is not a bad price for a bath and shower gel. And I have to tell you guys, I can sit here all day and inhale this. It smells wonderful. I haven't used it yet, but oh my god, I can't wait to use this. And everything is going to be down below for you guys as well. So next from Winners, this is the Fluttert Mascara, and this is $4.99. This is the packaging right here. And I guess this is the effect this mascara will give you. It's called the Fluttert Mascara. So I haven't, like I said, I haven't used this yet, so we're just going to open this up and see what it looks like. Typical packaging, okay. I think it's a Manana brand. I think never heard of this brand before, but here it is. Okay, let's just take a look at the dofer to see what it's like. Okay, nice and thick. There we be. So I guess the days when you just don't feel like going in with mascara, I'm sorry, with lashes, you can put this on and get this beautiful effect. We shall see. I'm going to be definitely be using this in a makeup look for you guys, and hopefully it turned out okay. Next, we are going to talk about Avon. I picked up a few things from Avon. One of my colleagues at work sells Avon, so I picked up a couple of things from her. This lipstick I'm wearing today, this is called, is it Exotic or Exquort or something like that? The proper name is going to be down below for you guys. And not this one, sorry. Let's just use this one. This is what I'm wearing today. Very, very, very nice, soft, pinky, warm, nudish look. And I love these type of lipsticks for this time of year to keep your lips nice and neutral looking. Very, very, very pretty. It has a purple undertone, but a little bit nude, very muted color. I really, really like this. And again, the name is going to be down below for you guys. And the other one I do have from Avon is called Desert Moon. This is very neutral as well, and it has a peachy, a very light, warm peach undertone. I love to wear lipsticks like these for the summertime. Very, very neutral. You don't have to go too bold and too red for the summer. Very, very, very pretty. It reminds me of some of the lipstick I did pick up from Shein along these shades, which are really, really pretty. And I would really recommend, guys, that you try to get some of these lipsticks from Shein. They are so good. I've got 4 of them here. You guys would have seen these before, but I'm also going to link them in the description box. But these 2 from Avon are really, really, really pretty. Also from Avon, I picked up this toner. This is the Belif toner. It's called the Believe in Truth Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner, and it says on here, refreshing splash of instant hydration that floods the skin with moisture. Anything that gives my skin hydration and moisture, because I do have oily skin, yes, bring it on. And I haven't used it yet, and this is what the packaging looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, okay, from Avon. And also from Avon, this from the same brand Belif, this is the moisturizing cream, and it's very, very tiny. And it's not a sample, this is just the full size, and it's like a gel form. Hope you guys can see that. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see this, but it's like a gel consistency, and it's loaded with moisture as well, from Avon. And also from Avon, I picked up two jewelry. They're from the Studio 1886. I'm just going to show you what they look like. And these are bracelets, beautiful packaging. This is the red one right here. Gorgeous. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see this. And great for the summer as well. It looks so pretty on the hand. Look at how gorgeous that is. And I love this little hang detail right there. This is the red one. This is ruby. And I think this one is, I'm not quite sure. Is this amethyst? I'm not quite sure. But it's going to be down below. It's blue. And so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And here it is. Very, very pretty. It has that crystal look to it, and it glistens in the sun, like when you put this on. Very pretty. You can wear them both together. Hope you can see that. Very, very, very nice. And I do love the little charm details right there. Very pretty. Great for the summer. I love that. It's just going to go great with what I'm wearing as well. Very, very pretty from Avon. Let's just put this aside. So we are going to talk about a couple of things I have from Shein, and this is from Sheglam, and this is basically a gel blush. This is what I do have on my cheeks today. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see some slight dewiness, redness on my cheeks. This is what this product is, and this is red, and it's in a gel form, but it dries down to a matte finish on your skin. And I know you might be saying, oh my god, this is too red, but when you put this on your skin and you blend it out, it blends really nicely, almost down to a powder consistency. It blends nicely on top of my foundation and my powder. Really, really, really lovely on my cheeks, and I absolutely love this. You can even use this on your lips if you want, even as an eyeshadow. This is going to be absolutely wonderful, and don't be afraid to use it. Okay, so you will put this on your hand, on your cheeks, and then you're just going to blend this out, and it basically just gives you such a beautiful warm look on your cheeks. Look at that. It basically blends in nicely to your skin, and this is the feeling and the look you're going to get when you put this on your cheeks. Okay, really, really, really nice. Beautiful. Just a little hint of color on your cheeks, and this is what this really gives you. And also from Sheglam, this is the gel eyeshadow. I'm wearing this today. I'm going to do a makeup look using this for you guys. And I have to tell you something. I really, really love this. Hope you guys can see it a little bit. And it goes on like a gel, but it dries down nicely. So you're gonna have to work a little fast with it. And one of the things that I notice and that I love with this product is the fact that it does not crease. I have used gel eyeshadows before, and by the middle of the day, or maybe 2 minutes after you put it on, it starts to crease up, and this one does not crease. I'm rubbing this with my hands. Nothing is coming off, and it's completely dry. It dries down to a powder finish, and it's really, really pretty. If you want to do that little wing thing that some of you do with your eyeshadows, you can do that as well. Really, really, really nice. Let me just open this up and show you. From Sheglam, look at how pretty that looks. Try to imagine wearing this for the summer. Oh my god, this is going to look beautiful on the eyes. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. And of course, it's going to be in the description box just in case you want to pick it up. Beautiful. And it's very, very small, so it will last you a very, very long time. So is the gel blush as well. Really, really pretty. So next, I do have this product here from Herbal Essence. I talked about this before many times, and I like to spray this on my wigs, and I also like to spray this on my natural hair from Herbal Essence. This is the hemp seed and aloe moisturizer. Here it is. Okay, you guys can see that. All you have to do is just shake it up and just spray a little bit of this on your hair. Just try to imagine, you know, you're walking down the street on a beautiful summer day. the sun's out and your hair is just blowing nicely and you just have this beautiful smell in your hair. It is just gorgeous. Absolutely love that, and I do recommend this for you guys. It's not that expensive, and I got this from Shoppers, I think, Shoppers Drug Mart. And last but not least, this is from Neutrogena. This is oil-free acne face wash. I love this face wash so much. This is one of my favorite face washes, and to me this really helps to make my skin feel so clean, and I don't have any breakouts at all with this. This reminds me of the Fenty Fat Water, and so if you sometimes feel like you're having that breakout on your skin, sometimes it hurts and it doesn't pop out till 2 days later, try this and in a couple of days it's gonna go away. Trust me, it works. This is a really good brand to have from Neutrogena. Okay, and that's it for my summer buys. Let me just double check to make sure that I got everything. And this is just a tweezer that I picked up from from Winners as well, because I just needed another one. The ones that I had before, I threw them out, and it's just a little tweezer. And so everything we talk about today will be in the description box for you guys, and these are just a few bits and bobs that I picked up for the summer season. I highly recommend these 2 things from Sheglam. Oh my god, you guys are going to love this. Whether you have dark skin, light skin, it doesn't matter what skin you have. As long as you're a human being and you have skin, these 2 things are going to fit you just perfectly. And I'm going to do a makeup look using this gel eyeshadow for you guys that I'm wearing today. It's very, very pretty, very light, and I just kept the look pretty much neutral today. And that's it. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in today. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.